Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I know it's been a while. We've been very busy. Lots going on, but I've had a few people say something about, you always keep your kitchen so nice and neat and things like that. Well, it's not always neat. It is when I'm canning, and I video when I'm canning and cooking. So today I'm going to show you my kitchen. Like Danny says, the good, the bad, the ugly, right? So we have had flood waters in our area for the last 3 days. Yesterday was Mother's Day, and I really wanted to get out and go see my granddaughter sing, and we got up the road and they said you cannot go any further. So we had to turn around and come home, and I didn't get to hear her sing, but via internet I did. So maybe in a couple of weeks I'll get to go see her in person sing. So good job, Faith. And you would think with all this rain, we would just stay in, sleep, watch TV, watch the internet, just chill. No. We have been on watch because of our low-lying areas. We're on a hill, but it goes down and up, and we have these valleys. And our valleys are where the natural rainwaters come from. So in some of the previous videos on Deep South, you will see some of the damage we had. But we had to watch out for our animals. We had to watch out for our structures. The house is on a hill, no damage, nothing, no problem. The barn is a little bit lower, and the only problem we had was like where the pig pen is on the back side. It can come back, it can fill up in there and back into where the goats were. So we had to keep an eye on that and keep that kind of trenched where it could just keep draining. The back thing where the pig pen is, that just turns into a river. Those pigs have a place to get where they don't stay in that water. They're always safe. The cows had the barn. So the goats, the cows were in their parts of the barn. The chickens, the coop is fine. It's up high, not a problem. And Hank's on a cement slab, so we don't worry about Hank too much. He has a building, and he is an outside dog. So Hank survives just fine. We keep a check on him. The cellar. Everybody wondered about the cellar. Did we get water? No. I went down, checked it several times. No water. Our cellar is built with a French drain around it. For our area, you have to have that. So we usually don't even worry about the cellar, but we do keep a check on it just to make sure. So all our structures were fine and dandy. It's the fencing that took a licking. Did we sit around and do nothing and watch TV? No. We had to get out when it quit raining. We would go and clean fences because it was pushing our fences down. Cows, goats, pigs are notorious for finding a fence that is down. So we have worked around the clock for the last 2 days, keeping things going. Yesterday, since we could not go anywhere, we just processed on, did what we had to do. So today, my kitchen's not dirty, but let me show you what I've got going on in my kitchen. Over here, this stays pretty much normal. That's the way it is. The little tote is what I take things back and forth to the cabin in to keep it cold or hot. Y'all, that just is a junk table. One day I will get it cleaned up, I promise. Here, I'm getting ready to fix lunch, so I have a hamburger set out. Just snacks for Danny. This may or may not be junked up at any given time, just saying. The stove, hey, Danny made breakfast. I think it looks pretty good for a guy that fixed breakfast. He didn't leave a mess. I've just got to clean the pot and we'll be ready to go. I've got the oven on. I'm fixing to make fries out of some fresh potatoes we dug this morning. All right, coming around, coffee station. Got to have your coffee. Few dishes from last night and this morning. We got to deal with that. But look. Danny took and stuck holes in a few potatoes. These are some good sized potatoes. Most of our potatoes are this size. We had some this size, and he stuck through this one also somewhere. No, maybe that's one he just pulled the other day. That one didn't even get stuck. This is another one. He didn't stick through many. There was only 3 or 4, so I thought that was pretty good in that little one. So we're going to make fries with this. And I'm going to cut them up, coat them in pecan oil and salt, and bake them. 400 for 20 to 30 minutes, according to how long it takes to get them cooked. from last night, of course, composting. But look at this. Isn't that awesome? And I know some of these are not totally turned, but we are fighting the birds with these berries. I threw away probably this many berries this morning because of birds. So I'm picking them, putting them out, letting them turn. They may not be as sweet, but at least I got them. The birds didn't. Look at the size of these berries. These are our tame blackberries. And look, they're huge. Huge berries. So we're getting a few of these. They're just starting to produce. And tomatoes. All right, the stink bugs are starting to try and hit my tomatoes. That's why they look a little bit funky. Look at that one. These are out of the Greenstalk, guys. The Greenstalk is doing awesome. I have tomatoes hanging everywhere. If I can just keep the stink bugs off. We're going to be using a formula of peppermint. I'm not sure if I'm adding anything else. I think I may just mix peppermint and spray these in a little while. And I'll show you in another video what we're doing to try and deter stink bugs. Peppermint's not going to change the flavor of my tomatoes, and it's not going to hurt anything. Our first mucho nacho pepper from the cabin containers. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm not sure how hot that is, so I'm fixing to add this to some peas that I want to eat, and we're going to see how hot that pepper is. Eggs. Our girls are doing great, and guess what? I need to be cleaning eggs and getting them put up, but we just use them fresh daily as I need to, and when I get time, I clean and put in the fridge for Danny for the morning time because he doesn't like to clean eggs. So I try to clean enough that he has some clean for the morning time. So guys, that's just a little bit from my kitchen. Where Danny's working over on the cabin. We're doing a little addition room that we were wanting to add on part of the porch. We're going to be using it for an unusual thing right now. So look for a video on Patreon or Deep South on what we do with the cabin porch. Part of it anyway. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.